What's up, gangsters? Time to finish the spark plugs on Chacho. It's been like 2 days and I've been doing other shit. Spark plugs and get the hood on. Let's do this. Although these eBay headers fit awesome, the spark plug removal is gonna be a good time. Good time. Let's see how this goes. Probably have to put a wrench on it. You know, this looked like it was gonna be a pain in the butt, but once I got the wrench on it, it's actually coming off. I think I got it loose enough. I just broke it loose. I think it's gonna come out. Should probably take my socket out before I can't get it. Yeah, look, it should come right out. So all the plugs are out. There was like 2 that looked really bad and the rest of them looked good, but we're replacing the plugs because we ran it for a while with no O2 sensors, so it ran a little rich, and before we tune it, we want to have some nice fresh plugs in it. So plugs are done, longest plug change ever. So mind you, we're not done wiring all this crap to this truck, but we kind of connected a new harness to the old harness with a fusible link right here to the 12 volt little junction here, and it quit charging the other day and this son of a bitch melted. So I'm gonna get rid of this old fusible link and harness and stuff and clean all this up and get an actual like fancy connector to go in there that's not gonna have very much resistance. So let's do that. That should work. So whoa. Once this truck's out of the shop, we are going to be pulling in this truck. And doing pretty much the exact same thing. Not exact same, but very similar to what we did with Chacho. It is a 77 Ford F100, or F-150, excuse me. I already did a axle flip in the back and cut a couple of coils out of the front. We were basically doing LS swap, 4-speed, and we're going to do some cool shit with it. Wheels, tires, all that stuff. But anyways, after Thanksgiving, we got t-shirts and sweatshirts that will be on sale. Check out our website, trashmetalcustoms.com, and subscribe to this here page. So, alright brother, Trash Metal Customs. Peace!